In this video, we will learn what short-circuiting is and how Java performs short-circuiting. Short-circuiting refers to the behavior of the AND and OR operators in Java when a logical expression is evaluated. Remember, we said that both expressions before and after the AND logical operator must evaluate to true for the whole expression to become true. So if you have two expressions joined by an AND operator and the first expression evaluates to false, this means that the whole expression is false. For example here, 5 less than 2 is false and 10 is greater than 7 is true. With short-circuiting, Java is not going to waste time and it's not going to evaluate the 10 greater than 7 since the first expression is false. Think about it. Even if the second expression is true, it will be false and true, which is still false, so why bother? When it comes to the OR operator, we know that the whole expression is true if one of the expressions is true. So similarly, if Java finds that the first expression evaluates to true, it deems the whole expression as true without wasting time evaluating the second expression. So for example here, since 10 is greater than 7, which is true, Java evaluates the whole expression to be true without actually evaluating 5 less than 2, which is not going to make a difference. To understand how that works, let's take an example. Here we have two methods, isTrue and isFalse. These simple methods return true and false respectively, but also print an output that gives us an indication if the method is executing or not. So if you call isFalse method followed by isTrue method and joined by logical AND, notice that only the isFalse will execute and the isTrue will not. This is what we mean by short-circuiting. Java found that isFalse evaluates to false because it returns false. And then Java noticed that the logical operator is AND, so it skipped the second part because it's useless. If you switch the true and false, however, notice that Java evaluates the first part, which is true, and then continues to evaluate the second part. This is because having true from the first expression means there is still a chance that the second part evaluates to true and the whole expression becomes true. Similarly with the OR. If we call the isTrue before isFalse, the first true will make Java stop execution and decide that the whole expression is true. On the other hand, if we switch them, finding a first false makes Java continue to investigate for the possibility of the second term to be true, which could make the whole expression become true.